Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You want to start where space and visibility are best. First, grab a Phillips, an 8mm socket, and a flat pry tool, plus gloves. Turn the ignition off and unlock the seat with the key. Remove it now so you can reach the rear cover. Once done, pop the 2 plastic rivets and take out the 3 visible screws holding the rear panel. Make sure to store screws in a small container so nothing gets lost while you move to the tail area. Once the seat and outer screws are out, carefully pry the rear cover edges to free the plastic clips. Work a short distance at each clip rather than forcing one spot. After the cover is loose, locate the tail light housing fasteners. They are usually 2 bolts or screws. Use the 8mm socket or Phillips as needed. When those fasteners are removed, pull the housing forward gently to expose the bulb connector and wiring. Do not yank the harness, and keep hands clear of sharp sheet metal. Now you unplug the tail light connector by pressing the release tab and pulling straight out so no pins bend. If you're replacing the bulb, twist the bulb holder counterclockwise and pull the bulb free. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or loose terminals. Clean or replace parts, and use dielectric grease on contacts to prevent future corrosion. Reassemble in reverse order. Seat the housing, tighten fasteners snugly, snap panel clips back into place. Then test brake and running lights before reinstalling the seat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.